As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter. Be a brainy buyer.
Okay, so we're comparing the ChuMaste 3-burner propane grill, B0CFR2CZP9, and the Blackstone 28 inches flat-top gas grill, B081BQWNFS. Seems like both are propane grills, but they're pretty different.
Yeah, definitely. The ChuMaste is more of a traditional grill with grates, right? And the Blackstone is a flat-top griddle. Big difference in cooking style.
Exactly. The ChuMaste has 3 burners, putting out 30,000 BTUs, while the Blackstone just has 2 burners. But I can't immediately find the BTU output. The ChuMaste's cooking area is about 465 square inches, while the Blackstone is a bit bigger at 470 square inches.
So roughly the same cooking space, but the Blackstone is designed for, like, pancakes, smash burgers, that kind of thing. The ChuMaste is better for searing steaks and grilling hot dogs. Also, the ChuMaste is lighter at around 52 pounds, whereas the Blackstone is around 20 pounds.
Good point about the weight. Portability matters. The ChuMaste has foldable side tables, which is nice for saving space. It also has a thermometer built in.
The Blackstone, on the other hand, is all about convenience. It's got a built-in cutting board and even a garbage bag holder. That's pretty handy for outdoor cooking. Plus, it has a rear grease management system, which sounds super convenient.
Oh, nice! The ChuMaste has detachable oil collection cups, and it sells for around $169, much cheaper than the Blackstone at $300. But customers have reported issues with the ChuMaste's build quality.
Yeah, I saw that. The Blackstone has a much higher rating, 4.7 stars, compared to the ChuMaste's 4.1. People seem to really like the Blackstone's build and how easy it is to clean.
So it really comes down to what you want to cook and how much you're willing to spend. The ChuMaste is a budget-friendly grill, but the Blackstone offers more features and better build quality for a higher price.
Exactly. If you're all about traditional grilling, the ChuMaste might work. But if you want versatility and ease of use, the Blackstone seems like the better choice, even with the higher price tag.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.